Hello everybody and welcome to another episode of Lookin' at Crap, the series where I look at hair products and tell you if it is crap or not. Stuff that everybody widely regards as pretty bad, but I'll see if they really are a honking piece of crap. So today we are looking at none other than LA Looks. Now, anybody who has ever used hair gel in their entire life has used this. I remember using it when they were maybe 6 or having it be the first thing they've ever used. And I found this in my dad's bathroom, which is funny because he's bald, but he has a cul-de-sac, so he used to slick down his cul-de-sac with this. And I don't know why, but it's here. I haven't used it since I was probably around 6 years old. So let's see where it is in the terms of a piece of crap. So here it is. This is the level 9 hold. And I'd hate to see the other 8. But yes, it's the yellow one. And it's so stereotypical hair gel smell that it's just yeah, I know that smell. But if I were to put, pinpoint it to something, I'd say it's like a lemon chemical with I don't know, maybe a cucumber lemon with a chemical twist, and it's got those trademark weird looking bubbles in there. But yeah, this is bad for your hair, but who cares? I'm losing it anyway, so let me try it. So I'm gonna get my hair damp. Alright, here we go. Years in the making. Having not used this in years, let's see how it feels. There it is. Just feels like straight up liquid, just water, but thicker water. Kind of like if you put Jello in your hands. Oh yeah. Yeah. This has no substance to it at all. It just feels like I'm just putting water in my hair, but slightly more gelatinous. Guess that's why it's called gel. But yes, very slimy. I always use the Panade Clubman gel, and that one is just okay, as far as hair gel goes. But this is, yeah, this is slimy. This this is pretty nasty, especially considering how much I like to use. Yeah, this. Whew. Alright, now that's in my hair, let's look it back, see how it styles. Because right now, yeah, it feels pretty gross in there. It feels my hair feels all slimy and yucky. But hey, it slicks back pretty well, and that does a fine job. And I know the reason for that is because it is so watery. Whoa, I'm stuck. The reason for that is because it's so watery, it's just slicking back my hair as if, when you're in the shower and water's it's kind of as if it was just water in my hair. So, it comes back just fine, but I think the real kicker with this is going to be what it's going to be like when it dries up, because it can get flaky and crunchy, but that is to be determined. But as of right now, it's just, my hair is styling just as if it's just water in there. So, when you get out of the shower and you just, maybe if for fun, you just kind of comb your hair right when it's damp. That's what it feels like right now. It just feels like I'm styling my hair wet. It's not actually giving any substance to my hair. It's just feels gross and wet and slimy. So just slimy hair. Alright, I'm not going to get too technical because let's get real. This is LA Looks. I'm going to leave it there right now, and then I'm going to let it get dry. So I'm going to call this it for right now, and then I'll let it get dry, and then I'll come back after it's dry to see how the properties change. But I'm not going to touch my hair, other than right there. Oh, come on. Okay, now I'm not going to touch my hair, and then I'll just leave it and then see what happens after it dries out and see how it will be. So, yeah. So while we're waiting, I thought it'd be pretty funny to take a look at the bottle and see kind of what is represented on here, because it is pretty funny looking back and seeing kind of almost nostalgically the kind of junk that we used to put in our hairs. But LA Looks, absolute styling, mega hold, level 9 hold, long lasting shape and definition, and then whatever that is. And it says here it's got the advanced tri-active hold, so for superior fixation, hold, and durability. Yeah. Hurricane couldn't stop this stuff because it's so stiff. But anyway, kind of hard to read these down here, but there's the little slogan. As is, let me put my other hand up here. Here's the description. Do you want to shape, spike, mold, or slick your hard-to-hold hair into that style that will get you noticed? You want to get noticed, you got to use this. Get long-lasting shape and definition with LA Looks Mega Hold. Styling gel for ultimate hold and control. It's made with tri-active hold for absolute fixation, resistance, and durability that will last all day long, no matter what type of hold you need. Extreme, defined, or flexible. LA Looks will keep you styling, keep your style rocking all day long. Here's how to work it. Apply to towel dried hair and style as desired. So there we go. That is the kind of the what they're shooting for, and I think it's pretty funny that they have to put an entire paragraph on here on how to use hair gel. Everybody knows how to use hair gel, but who knows? It's something you could have read while you're on the toilet and bored, and you forgot your phone. But anyway, if you look at the ingredients, it's water and then just chemicals. Nothing else other than just water and straight up chemicals. Don't even recognize any of the things in here, just straight up chemicals. This stuff is bad for your hair. But regardless, I think it's fascinating to look back on stuff that, I don't know, I guess used to use as kids, and it's pretty funny looking back on it. And yeah, so far, it's looking like crap. Alright, so I am back, and here is my hair, and whoo! It is crunchy. Just listen to this. I don't know if you can hear that, but it is crunchy, as expected. Now let's try combing it through again. But first, before I do that, check this out. Yeah, it's not going anywhere. It is crunchy. Now let me try to run through it. Yeah. As expected, it gives you kind of that like old hairspray feel when like you comb through it, and it's kind of like that feeling of when you used hairspray and it's just like gotten old in it and it's getting like, I don't know if it, yep. It's, you can't really see it on camera, but when I go close you can see it's getting all flaky. Oh, there it's coming. It's falling down. There's the dandruff flakes floating all around me. Yep. It's still the same. Yep. Wow, it's like all white, crusty dandruff that you can see in there. If I were to like have somebody go up to my hair and go, it would be like, so yeah, crusty dandruff flakes, crispy and hard and crunchy. I think this justifies it being crap. I think this is the crappiest thing I've tried out so far on Looking at Crap. So yeah, LA Looks. I don't think you needed me to tell you that, but yes, final verdict. It's crap. And thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this, you can support me by clicking on the Amazon links in the description, which will take you to some products that I don't think are crap, and some that are a few of my recommendations. But thank you so much for watching. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you enjoyed this content and want to see more Looking at Crap in the future. So, thank you very much, and I'll catch you later.